Students, I am Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Program Food and Biotechnology, 3rd trimester, session Carnot cycle and Carnot engine. Course Thermodynamics. Today I will start introduction of Carnot cycle, the most powerful and efficient heat cycle constructing of two isothermal and two adiabatic process. This actually is the idealization because its others to approach its efficiency the process involving must be reversible and involve no change in entropy. A system undergoing Carnot cycle is called Carnot engine. Carnot cycle history. Proposed by Nicolas Sadi Carnot in 1824, 1824. He was the French engineer, founder of the science of thermodynamics. First introduced relationship between work and heat. The explanation of Carnot cycle. Isothermal expansion and compression are considered equilibrium. No heat loss and other components. The cycle do not have a fraction. This no pressure drop in the working field. Change in kinetics and potential energies are negligible. That can be explained in Carnot cycle diagram. Isothermal expansion and isothermal expansion and adiabatic expansion, isothermal compression and adiabatic compression. In this explain PV diagram, isothermal expansion in a following diagram. 1 to 2 are process are isothermal expansion. In this diagram 1 to 2 are isothermal expansion, T1 is equal to T2 बराबर TH, and adiabatic expansion 2 to 3 are the following diagram. In the 1 to 3 in the following diagram in process are adiabatic expansion, and isothermal compression 3 to 4 in the isothermal compression and 4 to 1 in the adiabatic compression in following diagram. That can be explained in PV diagram. PV diagram is the isothermal expansion and adiabatic expansion, isothermal compression and adiabatic compression. Okay. 4 steps of Carnot cycle. Isothermal expansion at T1 in the following diagram, and adiabatic expansion of Tn at T2, and isothermal expansion at T3, and isothermal compression from T4. Clear? In the following diagram, 1 step isothermal expansion and second step adiabatic expansion from Tn to T1 and isothermal compression T1 and adiabatic compression of T1 to Tn. Clear? Efficiency of Carnot cycle. Next topic, efficiency of Carnot cycle. Thermal efficiency of Carnot cycle can be calculated for eta nth 1 minus Q1 upon Q2 is equal to 1 minus T1 upon T2 upon T1. So called the Carnot efficiency. The higher to temperature up to lower temperature sink, the more difficult for a heat engine to transfer heat into, thus lower thermal efficiency also. तो higher heat engine convert to lower heat engine. ठीक है. तो Carnot cycle efficiency formula 1 minus Q1 upon QH या 1 माइनस TL बाई TH या T2 अपॉन T1, मतलब हायर लोअर टेम्परेचर अपॉन हायर टेम्परेचर, सिंक का टेम्परेचर अपॉन शॉर्ट्स का टेम्परेचर. जो अपन ने पहले अपने जो कार्नोट थ्योरम पढ़ी थी उसमें मैंने एफिशिएंसी निकलाई है, कार्नोट साइकिल की एफिशिएंसी निकलाई है, उसमें मैंने बोला है शॉर्ट्स का टेम्परेचर अपॉन सिंक का टेम्परेचर. तो 1 माइनस T2 अपॉन T1 या 1 माइनस Q2 अपॉन Q1. इसे अपन एग्जाम्पल सोल्व कर सकते हैं कार्नोट साइकिल या कार्नोट थ्योरम के. ओके, तो ऐसे करके अपना कंप्लीट होता है कार्नोट साइकिल एंड कार्नोट इंजन. ओके.